Now this problem is an extension to the problem that we did previously, and you can look at page 92, figure 3.14 for this problem. This is the same one, two computer models, basic and XP, the labor hours needed, cost of components, selling price, and all the rest of it. Okay. Now the optimum solution is 560 and 1200 of the two models, and then that's the total profit. Okay, I have this as a separate file. Okay, the file name is O2-product mix 1. So use this file. Okay, so it has what we need with the extension. So we're going to now make an extension. So here is the area where we will work on the extension, and the kind of extension that we want is we want the maximum sales constraint. So copy that over here. So these are the original values. 600 and 1200 are the maximum amount that we can sell of these two products. And let's clear this. Okay, go to home and we say clear all. Okay. Now what we want to do is to change the original value of the limits on sales by a certain percentage. Okay. Maybe 5% more than 600 and 1200, or maybe 2% less than 600 and 1200. So we'll use the common percentage for both of them. If you want to do it individually, you can do it individually too, but we'll keep it simple. And so this is going to be the place where we will enter the different percentages. So for example, if it is 5% increase, and we can put that there. So that is a controllable input cell. So we'll code that with a different color, and let's use something like that. Okay. So let's give a name for this. So our actual limit on sales is the original value times 1 plus the change. So percentage change in both. Okay. Now we copy that. All right. So if no change, then it will be 0%. Of course, when you solve, we have the solver parameters exactly like before. So when you solve, you get the same answer, obviously. Okay. Now we did all this so that we can run solver table, and we can do the solver table sensitivity by changing this percentage, and then see what will happen to our optimum solution. So you go to run solver table. Okay. So now this is a one-way table, and the only input is that cell. Okay. How much percentage change in maximum sales you're going to allow. So that is percentage change in maximum sales, and we want to try negative 30% to positive 30%. So you can't enter percent here, so you have to enter it as a decimal value like that, and in increments of 10%, so which will be 0.1. So we want to use these as the range of values, and of course our output is the production quantity. Then remember, we have to do control click for profit. So now this will generate the output when the maximum sales is different from 600 and 1200 by that percentage amount. Click OK. So here it is. So your the change in percentage in the maximum value, and then you can select the basic production or XP production or profit to look at different graphs. So this is a modification to an existing problem that allows us to do solver table in a different way, in a more creative way.